I'm going to show you how you can create Google Drive folders and share it for group projects. So if you got a group projects that will require you to share some files and everything, you can create folders on Drive and share it. So what you need to do is here open the Google Drive and tap on new and choose new folder. Now you can just name the folder, for example, group project A, and you can just tap on create. And now once the project is created, if you want to share it with your group, you can tap on this three dots icon and go to share. Click on share again. And now you can just add people or your groups in here, and then you can just send a link by clicking on save or send. And after that, the folder will be shared. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.